Whether you're using your Blackstone to deep fry directly on its surface, or if you have the Blackstone air fryer model, either one is a good choice for frying up some of our favorite snacks. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of my super easy, crazy easy deep fried snacks that's my go-to whenever I'm craving something cheesy. These are fried tortellinis, and we're gonna make a batch using both the air fryer and the griddle surface. That way, no matter which model you have at home, you can make these. So let's jump right into this one. When it comes to deep frying anything from fried raviolis or fried tortellinis, you want to be sure to get the refrigerated brand of pasta. I'm using Rana's, which has tons of different flavors. I went with, of course, the prosciutto and cheese, two of my favorite things. We'll start these off with our dredging station. We're going to fill up one shallow bowl with a few eggs and a little bit of milk. Give that a whisk together, and let's move on to our shallow bowl for our dry ingredients. Into this bowl, I'm gonna add some plain breadcrumbs. To that, I'm adding the Tutto Italiano seasoning from Blackstone. This is everything Italian that I love in one bottle, perfectly blended together. To that, I'm gonna add in some Parmesan cheese. Give that a quick mix. Now let's dump in our tortellini into our egg mixture and just give everything a quick mix just to completely coat each and every single side and every little crevice of these little tortellinis. From there, they go into our breadcrumb mixture that we seasoned up. Coat them completely and continue on with the rest of your tortellini. You want to be sure to coat evenly with the egg wash and the breadcrumb and cheese mixture. Now that our tortellini is completely coated and breaded and ready for some frying, let's talk deep frying on your Blackstone. If you're frying directly on your griddle surface, I highly recommend using a nice sturdy pot, something with handles. A lot of you guys do like to use the throwaway tin trays, which is perfectly fine. Just be safe. If I do use those, I like to double them up for safety. We'll be doing these two ways. We're gonna put some into the air fryer first. Therefore, these need to be sprayed down with a little bit of oil. I have some garlic flavored oil that I found in the store. I'm gonna just spray a little bit of this oil on each side of these tortellini using a tray just to completely get them nice and evenly sprayed. Stick them into the air fryer and simply let them hang out in there and do their thing and fry up to perfection. On our griddle surface, I have my oil preheated to 350 in my nice sturdy pot. Next to that, I have one of my cooling racks. This is just where my tortellini will hang out to drain afterwards. We'll drop in a few at a time, being sure not to overcrowd our oil. They only take a few seconds in this hot oil. You'll notice that the fresh pasta really starts to expand and bubble up. As soon as they are golden brown, we're gonna pull these out and continue to work these in batches, being sure to keep an eye on our tortellini that we're air frying, giving those in the air fryer a turn or shake as needed so that they fry up evenly golden brown along every single side. Once all my tortellini are fried up and done, I always like to plate these nice and pretty alongside a variety of dipping sauces. Of course, I have some fresh marinara, I have a mushroom Alfredo sauce, and a pesto sauce because, well, I love the Italian colors, and I also do love a variety of dipping sauces when it comes to anything I'm eating. We'll plate up our tortellini, zhuzh them up with a little extra Parmesan cheese over the top of them, some chiffonade basil leaves, and of course a little extra love of the Tutto Italiano across these. And that is it. Now it's time to start dipping and enjoying these. These are one of my favorite snacks, not only because they are super easy, but the presentation in itself is so fabulous. You could change up from tortellini to ravioli to fried mozzarella cheese. Anything you want will fry up to perfection using your Blackstone griddle or the Blackstone air fryers. Always go for the variety of dipping sauces, and presentation is of course key to a beautiful snack. to share with your friends and family. So I hope you go make this, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. When you do, you know the rule. Don't forget to post a picture and tag Blackstone products and tag Blackstone Betty. We cannot wait to see and reshare your creations at home. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video.